Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. Let's discuss how to access the different values from the array. Array may be one dimensional, it can be two dimensional, it can be three dimensional or four dimensional. So how to access the coordinate, what are the index or position of the different arrays. So let's start. Till now we have seen that what is NumPy array, how to create the different dimensional NumPy arrays. So in the last we see here that this one is the one dimensional array, it's a simple array, it's a two dimensional, it's a three dimensional array. So if you run this, it will show the dimension of this. By using this .ndim function, it shows the dimension of the array. So we see in here, one is one dimensional array and the value of the one dimensional, second one is two dimensional array, and third one is 3-1 array. So for accessing the array, we have to use the index, and index start with the 0. So if we consider only one dimensional like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the first one is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we have to access the 2, we have to write something like array name and then 1. Let's see how it can be. So instead of accessing the array, if you see something like 1, it means that it will print 2 because it's a start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0th element is 1, first element is 2, second element is third element is fourth, and the fourth element is 5. Okay, let's run this and see the result. See here, it's printing 2, right? Why? Because we have get the index of the 1th element. Okay. Now take the example of the two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array is 1, 2, 3, 4, the one dimension and the second dimension. So it's a start with the 0, 0. So 0 is the 0th row and the 0 column. If you check here, if you write something like this, then it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is two-dimensional array. So the one becomes 0, 0. It becomes 0, 0 element. Okay. The second one, it becomes 0, 1, right? Okay. The third becomes 0, 2, right? If you go to the fourth, it becomes 0 and 3. And if you want to access the fifth, it becomes 1, 0. It becomes 1, 0, right? And the sixth becomes 1, 1. It becomes 1, right? If you consider the seventh, it becomes 1, 2, and there it will be 1, 3. Okay. This is the coordinates, or you can say the index of the two-dimensional array. So if you go here, okay, if you go here, and if you see, suppose we have to write the 2, we have to get the value of the 2, it means that for accessing the 2, we have to write the index 0, 1. Okay. Let's see that. We write 0, 2. So 0, 2 will be 3, right? If you see here, 0, 2 will be 3, 0, 1 is equal to 2. So they are defining the position of the particular elements inside the NumPy. Okay. Let's remove this because one dimensional, it's easy to use. Okay. Let's run this again. See here, it's accessing the 3, right? Value is giving you 3, right? Why? Because we are accessing 0, 2. If you see something like 1, 2, then it will gives the 7. Okay. Because we have written the something like 1, 2 is 7, 1, 3 is equal to 8, right? If you run again for the testing purpose. Okay, see, it's giving the correct result, right? Okay, so we have seen the two-dimensional array also, like matrix or something. Let's discuss about the three-dimensional array. What are the coordinates we can use in the three-dimensional array? So suppose this one is the three-dimensional array, 1, 2 starting 3, and what are the index here? Okay, I will show you the result also, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, say like 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's take an example of this. So how the coordinates of here is, the one coordinates becomes 0, because it's three-dimensional array, but the z index is again it's 0. So the first one always remains 0, and the 2 becomes 0, 0, 1, right? And the 3 becomes 0, 0, 2. It's 0, 0, 2. If you consider the 4, it becomes 0, 0, 3. Okay. Now if you consider this 5, 1, it becomes 0, it becomes 0, 1, 0. Why? Because z index is still 0. We are defining the three-dimensional array, but the z index is still 0. Okay. In the same way, it becomes 0, 2, 0, 0 to 1, and then it becomes 0 to 2, becomes 0 to 3, right? Same way it comes, if you consider the 9, it's 0 to 0, it becomes 0 to 0, from 0 to 1, okay, it becomes 0 to 2, and it becomes 0 to 3, right? So these are the coordinates, or you can say the index position of the particular element inside three-dimensional array. Let's check the one of these. Let's say C6. Okay, I want to access the 6, then we have to pass 0, 2, 1, right? Let's see this. So we have to pass something like 0, 2, 1. Okay, if you see here 0, 2, 1 is 10. Okay, so it will result the 10, right? Let's run this. Okay, so it's giving value is equal to 10, right? Okay, let's take one more example. Like say we need the value of 3, so we have to pass 0, 0, 2, right? We have to pass 0, 0, 2, we pass 0, and then pass 2. If you run again, see here value is 3. Okay, so this is the correct way to accessing the values, different values from one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional array. Only thing remember is index is starting with the 0, and based upon the dimension, the coordinates is varied. Okay, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. If you have any query, you can write email to me also. You can put inside a comment also. Thank you.